Maintaining a long-lasting relationship with a woman can be challenging, but it's worth it for the love and companionship you'll share. In this video, we're going to give you some tips and advice on how to make it work. Tip number 1. Communicate. It's important to talk openly and honestly with your partner about your feelings and needs. Making sure you both understand each other's needs and wants is essential to a healthy relationship. Listen actively and be willing to compromise. Listen carefully to what she has to say without interrupting her. This will help you understand her perspective more clearly. Be open and honest in your conversations and try to avoid being judgmental or dismissive. Take time to think about your response before you say it. This helps you stay focused on the conversation and make sure your words are clear. Tip number 2. Show appreciation and affection. Make sure your partner knows they are loved and valued through little acts of kindness, such as leaving a love note or buying a small gift. Compliment her regularly. Let her know how much you appreciate the things she does, the way she looks, or her personality. Tip number 3. Keep the spark alive. Try to plan activities that you both enjoy. Doing things together is a great way to bond and create memories. Get creative and plan romantic outings or surprise gifts. It's easy to get into a routine and take each other for granted, but it's important to make time for each other and try new things together to keep the relationship exciting. Tip number 4. Be supportive and understanding. Everyone goes through tough times, and it's important to be there for each other and offer support and understanding. You can show support and understanding by validating your partner's feelings, thoughts, and experiences. Always make sure that you listen to understand, not to respond. Always act in ways that are consistent with your words and not make empty promises. You may offer help, but respect her boundaries and decisions. Tip number 5. Work on overcoming conflicts together. Don't be afraid to have honest conversations about difficult topics. Listen to each other's perspectives without judging or trying to fix the problem. Identify the root cause of the conflict. Be willing to compromise and find mutually beneficial solutions. Develop strategies to reduce tension and manage stress during disagreements. And if things get too heated, take a break. Tip number 6. Sometimes things will get off track. When they do, find time to talk about where things went wrong. Identify the issues that are causing the disconnect and discuss them openly. Take time to reconnect as a couple with no external pressures or distractions. Express your appreciation for each other, even in tough times. Talk about how you can both improve and make changes together. Finally, celebrate your accomplishments and successes together. Show your partner that you are genuinely excited and happy for them by expressing your congratulations and sharing in their excitement. You can give her a thoughtful gift that relates to their accomplishment or success, such as a book or tool related to their field of interest. Create a keepsake that will commemorate the achievement, such as a scrapbook or a framed certificate or photograph. Help her to reflect on the experience. This will help them gain insights and clarity that can be beneficial for future goals and aspirations. Remind each other how far you've come as a couple and look ahead to bigger and better things. By following these tips and always being honest, loving, and supportive, you'll be able to maintain a long-lasting and happy relationship with the woman you love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the new videos that come out that are all just for you. See you in the next video.